Hello, good day. I am Edner Maliwagan Magduboy and I am from the Philippines. Mabuhay. I am a dedicated full-time science teacher with a passion for inspiring curiosity and a critical thinking in students. So I thrive on creating engaging hands-on learning experiences that makes complex scientific concept accessible and exciting. So as a science teacher, I have to create an activity that in order for my students to understand the concept, and if that concept is not that really easy, so I have to create an activity that would be relatable to my students. And in terms of the experiences that makes complex scientific concept accessible also and make it exciting. So I am eager to bring my skills, my energy, of course, and creativity to teach USC program. As I am motivated to grow as an educator, learn from my diverse teaching environment, and contribute to a community that in which this community values academic excellence and student success. So participating in this program, it would actually represents an incredible opportunity to expand my instructional practices, collaborate with my fellow educators, and promote a positive impact to my students while further developing my professional expertise. So I am a full-time science, a classroom science teacher here in the Philippines, and as a as a coach, as a winning coach, as a mentor, as a leader, I think I can contribute something to the program. And of course, I can also share my expertise to the students and in which these students will be also learning from me because of the different experiences that I have learned in the Philippines. And that would be all. Thank you. Once again, this is Edner Maliwagan Magduboy from the Philippines. Mabuhay.